remain anonymous. And jury selection begins tomorrow in the murder trial of Samantha Woll. This is a case we've been following since the beginning. The beloved synagogue leader was found stabbed to death outside her Lafayette Park home in October. In December, Detroit police arrested Michael Jackson Bolanos. He's accused of stabbing Woll during a random home invasion. I wanted to know more about how an impartial jury can be chosen in a case that got so much attention here in Metro Detroit and across the nation. So I called up former U.S. Attorney Matthew Schneider to hear what we can expect in court tomorrow.
Jury selection is one of the least talked about things in a criminal trial and the most important.
The shocking murder of beloved synagogue leader Samantha Woll is a case that's garnered national media attention. What kind of challenges does that bring to, selecting a jury?
Well, it's the same type of challenges that we've seen on a larger scale with the Trump case. People are asking, what have you heard about this case? Are you familiar about it? Have you been watching it on the news or following it in the media? And even if you have, is that going to bias you or not?
Schneider says in a murder trial, the prosecution wants jurors who may have been victims of a crime, while the defense will look for people who are skeptical of police narratives.
We are in a period of time that we're living through where a lot of people are questioning law enforcement, questioning the police, questioning evidence, and these are the people that the defense will certainly want to have on this jury.
Prosecutors say Jackson Bolanos was breaking into cars in the area that night, and Woll's blood was found on his jacket, but his DNA wasn't found at the scene. Just some of the evidence a jury will soon sort through.
What you really want is a jury who will listen to both sides, make a fair assessment, and come to the correct conclusion about the law and the verdict in this case.
And jury selection starts tomorrow morning at 9 in Wayne County Circuit Court. Schneider told me it could last a few hours or a few days. We'll keep you updated on air and on WXYZ.com.